this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one from Umai Crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is from Itsuki, and they make a range of really good stuff. And this one, we'll see. This is Nyumen. It's a narrower gauge noodle, and it's a Shoyu variety, and it's small. So let's see what we got here. It's like 200 mils of water. It's petite noodle. All right, petite noodle. We add the stuffings, the dock mix stuffings. I don't understand a dock mix stuffing. It's amazing. So the comprehension of my children to glean information off of toy commercials is amazing. Just the sheer amount of data after watching a toy commercial that they bring back and like trying to get said toy is really something else. Okay, so we'll give it a little bit of a swizzle around here. Put the lid on. 1 minute. But yeah, my daughter really likes these YouTube videos that are, looks like middle-aged women playing with toys, and it's really strange. And they go off about how cute they are, and they play with them, and they do unboxings and all that stuff. And she just wants everything. She's a kid, that's how it goes. I remember being a kid, I wanted all the Transformers, but I never got all of those, that's for sure. But yeah, it's a weird deal, and it's been said before that the end effect of watching a lot of YouTube is want, and a sensation of feeling that you don't have enough stuff. And I don't know, I gotta agree with that. Usually I look at stuff, it's like, oh wow, that's cool. I wish I was doing that, or I wish I had something like that. It's like, yeah, I think that's a true thing. Then again, movies are kind of that way too. I think there's kind of a big thing right now in blaming social media and on everything. And I think it's kind of, because as much as people want to call it a video platform, it's social media. Come on, when you've got people doing like vlogs all the time, like this for example. Here's the Nyumen. Now, I'm feeling a little perplexed here. There's the broth. You can't even see that. I need to see. So to see this is a Shoyu. I don't know. It said soy sauce broth. Soy sauce. Shoyu means soy sauce. Swear it's bonito broth, but I'll treat it as such, you know. Where's the little? Yeah, this has the little flour foo in it too. Come on. I definitely want you to see that. Maybe it fell out. They're really tiny. There's a couple right there. Here, let me see if I can fish one out and get it all up in your business. Come on, little flower. There you go. Can you see that? Yeah. Kind of unremarkable. I don't know. I'll use this one. My wife, my wonderful awesome, beautiful wife made me some wonderful, awesome, and beautiful eggs last night. Oy, oy, oy. Oh, come on. Yeah. Zero stars. Sometimes, I swear, there are noodles that just do not want to cooperate and don't want a good score. But that's not how I roll. I'm irritated with these noodles. And the terms that were given to it. This is in no way, shape, or form a soy sauce noodle. So all I've got is garnish ready for this. That's like what I would use for shoyu. And it really just doesn't seem like anything but a bonito broth. I just don't understand. How can you get that wrong? But Mimi's out there muttering about iPads. The fire tablets are bad enough. Ooh, I should talk about those next episode, because I'll tell you, they really aren't. They love them, but I'm going to tell you, from an administration standpoint, they're a nightmare. God. Anyways. A little bit of this. And we need some, I don't even know where that is. Where is that? Go. Come on. Is this going to be one of those? This is already one of those days. Yeah. I can find everything. Ah, there you are. Right? Yeah. A little shichimi on top right there. There you go. Quick rotato action. I am kind of irritated with this one. Rotate. Damn thing. Alright, and hopefully something much better. We've got this Mama instant rice vermicelli chicken and abalone flavor from Thailand. Tomorrow on Instant Noodle Recipe Time with me, Hans, the Ramen Raider. See that? I'll see you then, right? Right? Okay. Yeah, tomorrow. Same time.